Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create a subdomain in SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website, then click on this login button, fill in your login credentials and hit login again. Now go to the website's page from the top, and next to the website you want to create the subdomain for, click on this Site Tools button. And to create your subdomain, just go to the Domain section and select Subdomains. Below Create New Subdomain, fill in your subdomain name, for example, blog, and hit Create. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and databases inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2, Google Search Console, Hostinger Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you see, my subdomain with this name will be listed below once created. Let's give this page a refresh. And as you can see, my subdomain is created successfully. Let's give it a visit. If you see this certificate authority invalid error, don't worry, it is just a little SSL issue, and to fix it, it is very simple. Just go back to your SiteGround account, go to security from this left side menu and select SSL manager. Below select domain, select your subdomain from this list and select the free SSL certificate called Let's Encrypt. Click on Get and wait a moment. Now that your free SSL certificate is installed successfully, let's refresh the same page. As you can see, my subdomain now is accessible in SiteGround. And this is how to create a subdomain in SiteGround. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.